Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix Google Play payment decline. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to click on your profile picture and here you can see payments and subscription. So let's suppose if your payment is declined, first you need to check your payment method that you have the right payment method attached. And okay, once you done that, you need to open Play Store again, click here, go into payments and subscription, and then you need to check your subscription if you have, and you can check your budget and history as well what you buy. But let's suppose you have a right payment method and still your payment is declined. You simply need to click here, click on help and feedback, and you simply need to contact us. Click here and you simply need to mention that my payment is declined. Okay, and click on next again and failed transaction. So select the reason. Let's suppose issue with play payment method needs pay with pay balance, or you can go with failed transaction if you have. So Google Play apps, so it is up to you. So this one, go on to the next step and then you need to click on next step again, and here you can see email and chat. Email is recommended, so you need to email to the Google team and they help to get you resolve your issue in 24 to 48 hours. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.